Hey gang, this is Vinny Biscotta with the Biscotta team, and I'm here with a quick tip for you. October 15th is approaching, so if you file the tax extension and you're about to complete your taxes, keep in mind if you're applying for a loan and you're going to be making payment arrangements on any tax liability that you have, it's important to consider that into your debt load, right? So right now, what you see as opposed to October 15th, if you file those taxes and you owe money and you set up a payment arrangement of $200, $300 a month, you have to count that as a debt against you in your DTI. So as we're coming near the end of September, all of our deals closing in October. For anybody that is in that situation, I just wanted to give you a heads up, and I hope this helps. If you have any questions about this, you can call me, Vinny, at 817-714-5090, or you can reach us at thebiscottateam.com. And remember, for all your mortgage needs, talk to Vinny. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.